Hello everyone, another devlog. This is the project. How's it been going? I've been practicing a lot with some other models, as you can see, but these models didn't work as good. I spent like the whole day looking at interior design, buildings and stuff. And obviously I could spend even more time learning about like architecture and stuff, interior design architecture and things like this. This is not too bad though. I could spend some time looking at YouTube for ideas, or I could ask Gemini or ChatGPT. Even though already, as you can see, this was created by ChatGPT. Politician's bedroom suit floor plan layout. I don't know if these are the right scales though for my models. I feel like these are more properly made scales. A lot of these models I couldn't find. Also find these scales kind of like tight and tiny. Even though I don't mind this, I don't think it's bad. I like the way the bed is placed here. 7, what is 7 here? 7 is secret security room. It's a very flat room though, so there's no other floors, which is easy to handle and think about. Although this is the interior, you will only be seeing it from the inside. You see there's plenty of space, there's a lot of space, and if I press play, oh, and check out this one. This other one is was kind of looking like a little bit mysterious. But as you can see with those, the doors would not be like separate meshes. Even though I think they are, so you can like bring it back and unmerge. And so rotate the doors when you need to. Oh, I forgot about that. I need to turn off the... This will be part of your inside of a computer, by the way. So these codes will be part of the computer. I made these walls with wall type with Blender, and then I put it all around. Even though I feel like it's a little bit monotonous. Also, you see the gray? This gray is the reason why it's gray is because there's literally no color into it. It's just the default Unreal Engine material when there's no material at all. And then the other one is just white. As you can see, this is really beautiful. Look at these models. I feel like this table is a little bit too invisible, and realistically in real life it could break really easily, but I don't mind this. I just want to make it now feel more like you're an actual politician. What do you do here, right? What do you actually do? So, also the ceiling, I don't know how I'm gonna make it right now, really. But so far so good. I really like this. And also, let me show you the floor plan a little bit. Details. Yeah. Materials. So I think I need to know what the name of the other one was. Unreal is really powerful at 3D, man. I don't feel like Unreal is powerful at anything else. Icons. Alright, so the rugs, if I remove them, you see a little bit inside of them. They had like this piano, like cush, whatever it's called. Well, I don't know what this one is. Books. I guess a politician has books everywhere. Another suitcase here. So many politicians have suitcases everywhere, man. Also, this table could go in between here with some teapots. What's on top of that? Some books again. Books everywhere. What's this? Newspaper. I guess. Politician frame. The politicians are a simple family man like that. And so, yeah. So you also, I guess, need to be kind of like that. Or alone, I don't mind that either. You know, I placed those bookcases here in the back. And these things are kind of like, I don't want to make it too empty. I could like drag out these ones like this and, oh, by the way, like that. So it could be like this. Yeah, this could be a lot more interesting, I feel like. Of course I need to do that with the box. You cannot have these on top. Also, I cannot have used presidents as icons here. But I could add... Well, I could add some frames on walls. I don't know what they have to be though. I could make it more sandbox where the player has to select and build and create all those things. If I want to make it more sandboxy. I have those systems already implemented, guys. You already know. My open world survival crafting sandbox game already has all those things, right? And so here you can see I could add a lamp here, light. This is, I guess, a telephone. I don't know what the heck it is. And here, and now we can ask Gemini what more things we can add. So I'm gonna bring back the floor color. What was it? Obviously, the bathroom is also not ready at all. There's walls. I guess the rooms need to feel more like rooms a little bit. Also, there needs to be like doors in between from room to room. Sometimes I feel like. So, wait, where is that? Yeah. I guess no. Something more like what I had before, man. I guess I'll undo. All right, this is good. So as you can see, this room is completely empty. I don't know, have any ideas yet. Walk-in closet. I guess this will be your walk-in closet. I guess. The toilet is by no means finished. Also, I need more ideas for how I'm gonna like finish this bathroom because there's, you know, it's just one bathtub right now. Following the plan. I don't know what this one is supposed to, what the fuck is supposed to be in here. So I'm asking Gemini, what the fuck are we gonna have in here? Oh, and sink, yeah, I can make a sink, wall, blah blah. Bathtub. I need to bring glasses, I guess, like glasses, because I didn't find any douche like rooms, meshes and models. And towel here, of course. Hold for towel. This could be something really simple as like a few cubes and stuff stretched out in a nice way. You could make that really easily if you have like an imagination. You're kind of crafty. Even in real life, you could. When I think about making something, how I would make it in real life, then I think, oh, so I see a DIY YouTube video, and then somehow I become a Blender master, even though I'm not. I'm not a Blender master. But I can conceptualize and visualize in my head at least. I feel the confidence I can make it in real life, so therefore I can at least make a visualization of it in Blender. And then you have this, of course. I guess this could be a door here, but I don't know where the stairs, what the stairs are gonna look like, where they're gonna lead to. I'm gonna put a blockout, invisible blockout. I don't know. These drawers, I don't know if I'm not even sure if I can find all these things in the Sketchfab, but I will search for keywords. So let me know if you have any ideas for keywords, what to search on the Sketchfab. Also, these are the best curtains I could find. So, also the ceiling, I'm not sure if I want to bring it like really low like this. Even though this looks fine, really, I just feel like I want to have a taller ceiling. I just want to make it as rich as possible. Also, let me know if you have any ideas about the colors. So I really need advice with the colors and everything. As you can see, I have two suitcases here. Let me know for more things, how to make it more like a house exclusively of a politician, nothing else, only the house of a politician, of a person involved into government. What specific things does this person that works in the government have in his house? Maybe it's not a house, maybe it's like the White House, maybe it's like the what is it called, the place where the prime minister sits at most of his day, most of his time. Maybe he can enact policies through there, talking on Zoom with people. I don't know how it works, but think of it like a little bit like this. Let's say we're in the pandemic. He works on his computer. He talks to people on his computer. Where is his computer at? What chair does he sit on? I need keywords for what are those furnitures called? What the fuck do you place on top of here, for example? How to make all these look with details. like real actual rooms. So that's what I'm looking for. What colors to use. When I need to change wall types to make it look more aesthetically like an actual rich place. So luxurious. So yeah, that's all. Let me know if your ideas.